This website makes over $10,000 a month by selling poop. While most people struggle to make a single sale online, these guys are pulling in 5 figures a month selling literal crap. But how is that even possible? Let me break it down for you, and more importantly, how you can do the same with a powerful strategy you can start using today to sell anything to anyone. Let's start with one of the most famous examples of all time.
Sell me this pen.
It's a amazing pen. For professionals.
When most people hear that question, their first reaction is to describe the pen. In this approach, the description is based on the characteristics, and that's a classic mistake because people don't buy products, they buy solutions. Now watch what happens in the other version of that scene from The Wolf of Wall Street.
Sell me that pen. Watch. Go on.
Let me sell this fucking pen.
That's my boy right there.
This pen.
Fucking sell anything.
Why'd you do me a favor? Why'd you name down that napkin for me?
I don't have a pen.
Exactly. Supply and demand, my friend.
See what I'm saying? He's creating urgency.
See the difference? This time, he isn't talking about the pen. He's showing what the pen enables you to do. It's not about the item, it's about the problem it solves. This example might seem obvious, almost too simple, but that's exactly why it perfectly illustrates 2 completely different approaches to selling. And yet, I see so many people starting an online business and making this exact mistake. So instead of focusing on your product, ask yourself, what problem am I really solving? If you're a fitness coach, don't tell me about your training methodology or how many reps you've programmed. Tell me how I'll look in the mirror after 90 days. Tell me how I'll feel when I put on jeans that haven't fit in years. If you sell a mattress, don't describe the layers of foam. Tell me how I'll finally sleep through the night and wake up without back pain. If you sell language lessons, don't talk about grammar exercises. Tell me how I'll finally order a coffee in Madrid without panicking. And the poop store? They're selling a prank or the perfect way to get revenge without the consequences. But people don't just buy to solve problems. They also buy to feel something deeper, to feel seen, respected, or part of something. For example, Rolex doesn't sell watches, it sells status. Chanel doesn't sell perfume, it sells elegance. So the next time you try to sell something, don't fall into this trap. Forget the product and focus on what it unlocks.